How's it going, Zach?
It is going great. How about yourself?
Not too bad. It's a beautiful day.
It is.
I haven't seen this setup before.
This is for setting the porch roofs.
Is this a new rig that we have?
Oh no, we've had this for years.
I'm kind of surprised I've never seen it.
Well, we don't set a lot of porch roofs with it. A lot of times we use the bigger equipment, but with the ground being unstable as it is and the sidewalks being in,
Yeah.
we're going to use this. It's kind of our own mini crane.